What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades, and today I bring you a back-to-back Amazon video. Pretty crazy that Amazon's been, moving this nicely, especially at the beginning of the week. Contracts usually don't move this nicely, and they're expensive. So I really like playing Amazon towards the end of the week when the contracts kind of, dial down a little bit. But today we had almost the identical play from Friday, but just a little bit different and a little bit cleaner so that you guys can visualize and see what I was looking at. And I really should be up 26,000 today. What happened was I was up 10,000 in the morning from a trade, ended up trying to limit sell, and when I clicked that limit sell, TOS is kind of laggy. I wouldn't blame it on the TOS lag. It was just if I market sold, I would have been able to come out with like 9 to 10K profit. But ended up selling. It only ended up selling a few contracts, so I had to cancel the order. So I waited for it to come back, and obviously me waiting, it ended up going into the negative by negative like 5,000. Ended up selling, and then I had to make that 5,000 back plus the $11,452 for the day. So, it's all right. No real mistakes as far as why we came out with negative 5K on that first trade. It was just, I limit order instead of market sold. So I'm up $11,452 for the day on Amazon. Great day, 5-figure day for Amazon. So let's talk about what was I looking at. Almost identical. Let's zoom into today. We talked about that on the last video. This is today right here. If you put this on the 5-minute, so a lot of people would play this, right? See how this is just straight, just going down from 32.26 all the way down to 32.35. So, obviously I can play plays like that. I just like to wait for consolidation and, different, patterns setting up, just because that's just how I like to trade. Everybody's different. Every trader is different. Every trader likes to play different ways. So I waited for the stock to consolidate a little bit. As you can see, this created a descending triangle where you get the flat support right here, and then you get lower high. So basically the stock drops, pushes, it looks like it's recovering, comes right back down, and then makes a lower high, comes right back down to base, doesn't change the base, comes back up, lower high. Then every high that it creates is a lower high, and then you end up visualizing it and seeing, okay, this is a lower high, this is the lower high, and then you create it on your chart. If the chart looks crazy right now, it's because I was playing with it during the day. I'm going to obviously take these lines off. I don't like having so many lines on my screen. It's a distraction. But I made this purple for you guys, and then this line right here, this red line right here. So I waited for the consolidation. As it got tighter, you can see it got rejected, and then boom, it ended up breaking from 32.31. Dropping all the way down to 32.03. So this was the break that I played, the 32.31, and this ended up dropping to 32.03. So look at the time here. It was 1:35 p.m. at the top. Now, I like playing it with market sentiment. So if the market's ripping and Amazon's about to break, I might think twice about entering the trade, or I might just go extremely lightly. But when the market's moving, or the market sentiment is moving in my favor, that'll be something that I'll like. So let's take a look at 135 on ES. So at 135, we were also breaking down as the market. So the market was dropping. So this was the candle. Actually, this was the candle on ES as Amazon's breaking. So the market sentiment was negative or to the downside. And it was just a perfect collaboration with my Amazon trade. And ES started falling, which, quote unquote, people like SPY. I just like ES. I just like the way it moves. Everybody has their own preferences, and I have my ES charted. I also have SPY charted. I just follow ES more, and I ended up seeing ES was breaking with my Amazon trade. It was almost a perfect setup, and you could see from 135, ES came all the way down, recovered just a little bit, and just ended up, getting demolished. And then my Amazon trade at the same exact time was also getting demolished. And then it slowed down. Honestly, Amazon kept up as far as, what the market was doing. Amazon, after that big drop from that consolidation or that descending triangle, ended up making lows and lows, but nothing too crazy as far as how the market was moving. You had different things just crashing. Amazon earnings is next week. I can keep playing this until Friday, and then most likely by the next Monday when earnings week comes around, it's going to be way too expensive to even think about day trading. And then we'll go from there. But another great back-to-back Amazon trade. Wanted to show you guys how clean trades could be. It doesn't have to be a move where it's just ripping to the upside or ripping to the downside. It could almost be just a consolidation every single time and just wait for the trades to come to you. So if Amazon didn't come through today, I would have 0 trades today, right? Which is perfectly fine. I waited until 1:35 in the afternoon for Amazon. So a lot of people want to get their trades off in the morning and just finish the day. It's not always like that. I would love to finish the day every day at 11 a.m. and just walk away. It's just, obviously you should still walk away at 11 a.m. if you don't have any trades, because most people are going to force trades after. They're going to get fed up with just sitting there. So if you have the, if you can literally sit there and not make any dumb trades or bored trades, quote unquote, then you can sit there. But most traders have to get up or they'll make forced trades. So I let Amazon come to me and it ended up working in my favor, and it was a great setup. So love to show you guys this, and I will be uploading almost every single trade this week, whether it's red or green. And I want to upload almost, should I? I think I will. And yeah, I just want to upload as much as I can to YouTube, because Instagram is really what has my attention. So I want to show my love to YouTube. Plus, you guys can visualize the trade and see what I was looking at as I was trying to trade Amazon. I also played the 3250s. If you guys want to look at the contracts, I was playing a 3150 puts on Amazon. That's a little far, but it was still expensive when I played it. But that was the Amazon trade. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any more information will be in the description below. I'll see you guys. Peace.